Yeah. I ain't chasing perfection. I'm chasing growth. Every day. A better me. Yeah.
I had to sit with myself in the quiet. No distraction, no noise to deny it. All the excuses I used to defend started sounding weak when I faced them within. I blame my past for the way I react, blamed other people for what I lack, yeah. But healing start when you tell the truth, yeah. Can't grow strong if you hide the root, yeah. I seen potential I never applied, yeah. Dreams I postponed just feeding my pride, yeah. I asked God why I'm stuck in place. He said you comfortable, that's the way.
If I want change, I gotta move. If I want light, I face the truth. I can't pray for growth, then run from you.
I just wanna be a
better me, more love, less ego in me, closer to who God made me to be. Every day step faithfully. I don't need the old version back. I'm letting go, I'm done with that. I'm becoming who I'm meant to be. God shaping better me.
I stopped waiting for a perfect time. Started working on my inner mind. Discipline where my feelings fell. Choosing growth when comfort, yeah. I ain't competing with who ahead. I'm competing with thoughts in my head. Every bad habit I entertain is just another broken chain. So I wake up and I pray first. Even when change feel like it hurt. Consistency over high, daily steps over overnight. I fall short but I don't quit. God still working brick by brick. I ain't finished, I admit, but I'm further than I've ever been.
Mold me, shape me, even when it breaks me. Teach me, guide me, keep your hand beside me. I just wanna be a better me, more love, closer to who God made me to be. Every day, step faithfully. I don't need the old version back. I'm letting go, I'm done with that. I'm becoming who I'm meant to be. God shaping a better me.
Yeah. Stay humble in the winds. Stay hungry in the losses. That's how legends built. I prayed in the dark when nobody believed. Back when the world felt cold to me. Had a dream bigger than my reality, but doubt kept whispering who you supposed to be. I was down bad, had to find my way. No applause, just grinding day to day. Late nights with a mind full of pressure, trying to turn pain into something better. I seen people fold when the weight got real. Seen fake love disappear when you need it still. That's why I move low, never too loud, cause the same crowd switch when you down. I learned early wins don't make you great. It's how you carry losses, how you navigate. When you fall down, do you stay or rise? That's the difference between weak and wise. I prayed in the dark, had to trust my grind. Even when I felt like I'm running out of time. Now I stand tall, but I stay the same. Oh, never let the glory get to my brain. Stay humble in the wins, never lose your soul. Stay hungry in the losses, that's how you grow. That balance right there, what legends made of. Not the fame, but the pain you overcame. Love, I done seen highs turn quick to lows. Seen bright lights dim and hearts turn cold. Money come fast, but peace moves slow. That's something they don't tell you when you chase that glow. I had wins that felt empty inside, and losses that built me up with pride. Funny how pain teach more than success. Made me stronger, made me want less ego, more purpose in life. Less flex, more truth in my lines. Now I speak from a place that's real. Not what you see, but what I feel. I seen people laugh at the bottom flow, so life spin them right back through that door. So I never judge, I just understand. We all one step from losing plans. I prayed in the dark, had to trust my grind. Oh, even when I felt like I'm running out of time. Now I stand tall, but I stay the same. Oh, never let the glory get to my brain. Yeah. Stay humble in the wins, never lose your soul. Stay hungry in the losses, that's how you grow. That balance right there, what legends made of. Not the fame, but the pain you overcame. Love. Yeah. Wins don't define you. Losses don't break you. It's how you respond that builds you. Look, I ain't perfect, I just learned control. Turn my scars into something gold. Every setback was a setup too. That's the kind of truth they never show you. I stay solid when it got rough, even when I felt like I ain't enough. Kept my faith when the road got dark. Now that light live inside my heart. I don't brag, I reflect more now, cause I seen strong men break somehow. So I stay grounded, feet in the dirt, knowing every blessing came from hurt. Legends ain't made from easy roads, they built from pressure, pain, and lows. So when I win, I stay composed, and when I lose, I come back cold. I prayed in the dark, had to trust my grind. Even when I felt like I'm running out of time. Now I stand tall, but I stay the same. Never let the glory get to my brain. Stay humble in the winds, never lose your soul. Stay hungry in the losses, that's how you grow. The balance right there, what legends made of. Not the fame, but the pain you overcame. Love. Stay humble. Stay humble. That's how you build. Legend. Yeah. Yeah, I've been chasing shadows in the concrete jungle, where the weak get devoured and the strong often stumble. Used to be a cub, wild dreams in my eyes, watching kings fall from thrones beneath the troubled skies. Mama told me, son, your destiny's your own path, but the streets had a lesson always taught with an aftermath. So, saw the hyenas laughing, doubting my roar's potential. Had to learn to stand tall, make every single move essential. From the corner store hustles to the late night studio sessions, plotting out the kingdom, learning valuable lessons. Some days it felt heavy, the crown too big to bear, but the vision kept burning, whispered on in humid air. Remember scraping pennies just to cop that new CD. Now they press rewind, trying to soak up all of me. Yeah, the pressure's a privilege, the weight is a sign that the work ain't finished, still a sin is still divine. From a curious cub to a king in the making, every step a testament, my spirit never breaking. Hear the echoes of the ancestors guiding my way. This ain't just a story, it's my judgment day. Yeah, grown on Simba, yeah, I'm finding my stride. With wisdom in my gates and nowhere left to hide. Yeah. The circle of life keeps turning, the lessons unfold. Yeah. A new chapter written in stories, brave and bold. Yeah, yeah. Used to battle my own pride, felt the envy in my chest. Wanted everything instantly, put my patience to the test. But seasons change, perspective shifted, sun begins to rise over old horizons, revealing truths behind the lies. Learn to love the process, the grind beneath the glare, knowing that the deepest roots are forged through honest care. Built the pride of my own, not just numbers but belief. Share the spoils of the hunt, found solace and relief in lifting up the others who walk the path with me. Knowing that true power is in community. Saw friends get lost in darkness, some couldn't find their way. Pray for their return for a brighter, better day. Cause the jungle ain't forgiving, it'll chew you up and spit you out onto the wasteland. If your purpose don't commit you, I'm committed to the purpose, to the voice inside my head. The legacy I'm building long after I'm dead. From a curious cub to a king in the making. Every step a testament, my spirit never breaking. Hit Stay humble in the winds. Stay hungry in the losses. That's how legends built. I prayed in the dark when nobody believed. Back when the world felt cold to me. Had a dream bigger than my reality, but doubt kept whispering who you supposed to be. I was down bad, had to find my way. No applause, just grinding day to day. Late nights with a mind full of pressure, trying to turn pain into something better. I seen people fold when the weight got real. Seen fake love disappear when you need it still. That's why I move low, never too loud. Cause the same crowd switch when you down. I learned early wins don't make you great. It's how you carry losses, how you navigate. When you fall down, do you stay or rise? That's the difference between weak and wise. I prayed in the dark, had to trust my grind. Even when I felt like I'm running out of time. Now I stand tall, but I stay.
What's up, Chad? What's up, Rosaline? How you doing? Good morning. Good morning, everybody. How we doing? How you feeling? No. How we doing? How we doing? Roby, how you doing? The same to my brain. Okay, no. Yeah. Wings don't define you. Losses don't break you. That's how you respond. All right, chat. What's up? How you guys doing? How's everybody's doing? What's up? What's up? What's up, ski? All right. Let me do a top-down analysis here on price. Monthly, okay, we rebroke the low of the month. We filled the week on the left-hand side. Now, we don't know if we're gonna push through even further, right? Weekly, okay, weekly. Yeah, we got support level sitting right there, and we tap it. We are reacting right now. We still have 13 hours and 28 minutes for this candle to close, and I believe we're gonna close bearish weekly minimum, probably this closure, bearish closure, because later tonight we don't have any news on USD, but the only the tweets. If there's a tweets, there's a high chance that we can push up even further, up and down, right? Like what happened yesterday night, man, huge. Huge 4 hour push, hourly push, this kind of volume. It's Trump tweet, signing of Iran, they'll probably Europe, this and this is the tweet. So yeah. Daily time frame. So the daily close bullish yesterday. Our bias, man, my bias yesterday was bullish. We took a buy, but didn't didn't push through. But it's okay. Um, it pushed. Where's the buy yesterday? Right, this. Where's the buy yesterday that we got? 12. What time is that? 1:15, right? Around 1:15 p.m. Buys. Where's the buy? Here. Where's that? This one. This is the buy that we took yesterday, right? Support level. And we get a buy here on the rebroke and hit the stops. Then push through again. Look at this. Probably, yeah, taking partials here and moving stops to break even, take profit, and the rest of the day moving up. Holy. But yeah, it is what it is, chat. No buenos there. So daily time frame is bullish. We closed bullish, but I'm worried about the top wick. But it's okay, once you rebroke again the high or the current candle high, we might see this push because it's Friday. So might a lot of volume today. So let's see. We have daily bullish closure 4 hour here. 4 hour, we're trying to move down. We're trying to retrace. We're trying to correct the move, but didn't push through yet. Support level sitting right here. You got a minor resistance above, and we're trying to move down, right? So for me, enable for this candle to probably minimum here. This structure on the left, and then should move up here once again, right? So let's see what will happen. There's no target yet on price because it's clean traffic to move down. Probably the target of the 4 hour is 4080 area. If the price come back on 4080 area, we might see a huge reactions here, right? Let's see. Hourly. Okay, hourly, as you can see, structure resistance level, the previous resistance above, so range one. So right now, we are sitting of support and resistance. We have resistance, we have support, and below the support, as you can see, we have a clean traffic to move down. That's gonna be the 4 hour moving down towards to the downside. Let's see if we can have a closure on the hourly, and yeah, should be ready to move down here. 30 minutes time frame. Yeah, look at that. 30 minutes rebroke all the lows here. I don't know why it's not pushing through. Probably because of no bottom wick closure on the 30, right? So there is a high chance that we can reject of the support level. We have a support level sitting right here, though we rebroke the lows, right? Look at that, rebroke, and right now we are reacting because it's top support. You know that we have a clean traffic. So basically, sellers is activated right now because of the clean traffic to move down. Like we have a clean traffic. This is the clean traffic, right? On the 15 on 30 minutes time frame. Right, it's a pretty clean. How many pip range? 800 pip. So I don't know if we're gonna fill this range today to correct it, because basically when we got a lot of volume, like an impulse volume, there's always corrections. That's called corrections. And yeah, let's see. Oh, okay, the 15 minutes time frame. Look at this. You have a support level sitting right here, and then the next support is probably down here. So might be the price will tap here and then react, right? Because you have levels, right? This level should be break, enable for the price to move down heavily today, right? So let's see. Let's see what will happen here on price. We're gonna sit and wait for the right setup to come. Probably I'm open for buys and sells today because we have a clean traffic to move down to, so I'm good with the selling. For buys, probably it's good too. It's probability opportunity for buys above 4184 probably. Let's see what will happen here, right? 11:30, so yeah, we still have a lot of time here to wait for the price to print for the price to print. Let's see, gang. This is my level so far, so let's see. Hello, Ryan. Good morning. How you doing? How you doing? All right, reactions. Doo-doo-doo-doo, doo-doo-doo. All right, 4 minutes for the candle to close. Moving up. We are moving. There's a volume here. Big candles again. Arlie, okay, nice. Impulse, probably. Arlie Impulse. Do-do-do-do-do. Yeah, if you have any questions, let me know. Let me know in the chat if you have any questions. All right, 15 minutes for the candle to close. I have 15 seconds here. Harley are moving crazy. Impulse trade. Dang. 150 pip stops. Holy. Yeah. Probably this kind of scenario need to wait for a candle to close above. So need this a closure above should be fine here. And that's gonna be a 30-minute candle closure too. And it was a clean traffic to move up. It's gonna close above. Pretty much wait for a bottom wick and should be move up here. That's gonna be a new hourly open too. Rebroke the high, should fill the range. 4-hour flip should fill the range. Okay, makes sense. So waiting. Waiting is the name. Waiting, gang, waiting. Give me a second, chat. If you have any questions, let me know. Drop it in the chat. Ranging chat, ranging here. We back to ranging market. Ranging market. Let's go. Arlie is about to close in 8 minutes here. So yeah, we might close below here. The candle closed below. I really like this. Sell to move down. Ranging market. To-do. All right, 5 minutes, chat. 5 minutes. 2 minutes for the closure. No closure yet. Oh, rebroke the high. Okay, cool. Wait, what was that? Oh, 5 minutes candle. Damn, what happened? Why we got a lot of volume today? Oh, Lane, 5 minutes candle. Would you look at that? No tweets, no nothing. Nothing. GBP, it's 10 a.m. So let's see here now. 2 minutes for the candle to close. We need to see a closure above for us to take a buy. I want to see those closure. Closure. Oh, sorry, I muted. Yeah, overextend candle, no top wick. Holy, a lot of volume today. I don't know what happened here. Um, no tweets yet. Oh, okay. So we have tweets here. Commitment to the lifting sanctions, withdrawing its force from around Iran and lifting the naval blockade. I don't know what is this, but it's red folder. It's bad for dollar, probably. Yeah. The MOU with the US includes US commitment to lifting sanctions, withdrawing though its forces from around Iran and lifting the naval blockade. Yeah, nothing here. We close above, overextend. So this kind of scenario chat is overextend. Okay, you know that. And 50 minutes, yeah, I mean, if you're gonna look on the 30 minutes, we just need to wait. I mean, we just need to have this kind of closure to take a breakout, right? So this scenario is different. So for me, I don't have any edge on this kind of price actions. I mean, on this kind of scenario, right? Because this is different than this. If you want to take a breakout, should be like this, and you're gonna take a buy on the rebroke of the previous. So it's gonna look like this. Right? This is the move. But this move is different. This move, right, is different. This move is different. This kind of move is called overextend because you feel almost the range on the left hand side because as you can see on the left, you have range, right? Range. So we're coming from a range one. This is gonna be a range one, and the breakout should be the range two. So this is gonna be a range two. And if you're gonna ask yourself, what is the probability that this candle gonna move up to fill the range? For me, I don't have edge for that one. So I probably gonna stay out on the trade, right? I don't want to take that because it's overextend candle. But if the candle prints like this, yeah, I'm happy with that. This is called breakout and then gonna take buys, retesting all the range on the left hand side here, retesting the high or resistance. That pretty much the idea. But overextend candle is really tricky. So probably we're gonna watch the price move. Where's the price gonna head it? Nothing to do with that. I cannot do anything here. I cannot force any trades. If you guys want to take trades, you can take trades. But for me, I don't want to force anything here. Right? So yeah, man. Shout out to 19 viewers right now. How you guys doing? Welcome to the YouTube live stream. And if you guys are new to the channel, make sure you subs to the channel, like the stream. If you don't like, it's up to you, man. Just like the stream, support the channel. I always live every single day, Monday through Friday, London session. So if you guys want to learn the strategy, just hop on to the stream. Hop on the stream. If you have any questions, let me know, man. I'm happy to answer those questions if you have any questions. But if you don't have, it's okay. So we got the next resistance. We're heading on the next resistance. We're breaking out. Yeah, let's see here. Still a lot of time, 12 p.m. So the volume, we had a lot of volume today. Let's see, it's Friday day. Robius, did you pass your funded account ready or not yet? Did you pass the phase one? Not yet. Yeah, took us yesterday too, right? Or you still hold the trade? You took a buy yesterday or no? Took some else? The hecky? What the hecky? Goldie play around yesterday. We got we are the liquidity yesterday. Took the L. Good thing I didn't pull. Yeah, I mean, it is what it is, bro. I like the setup yesterday, and I'm gonna take that every single. If this candle shows up, I'm gonna take that opportunity. If this setup shows up again, yeah, I'm gonna take this. This strategy is really working. I don't know. Yesterday, we took those fake out, and then last 15 of the candle. If this candle survive, we didn't rebroke the previous candle low, we might take profit yesterday, right? If this candle didn't rebroke this and then survive, probably a closure like this. If this candle close like this, and then we're gonna wait for another 5 minutes, this candle move up, shoot up, as you can see right here. So probably pick 100 pips and then out. That's it. If that was NY, yeah, me too. With this NY session, man, I'm gonna full port. We're gonna see this kind of candle on the NY session. Holy, look at that, man. Look at this. Look at this push. Look at this push. Man, I just see Rajabang's took the buy on the impulse here. I don't know, man. I don't know why he took those buy. He Rajabanks has an AI, probably AI in the news. Took the buys from impulse here. Then boom, move up. Caught all the move. All right. So we're tapping resistance here, 4,200. We're testing 4,200. The daily candle almost flip here. The 4 hour, yeah, should move up and probably fill the range on the left. Let's see. Damn, Goldie. If this candle close minimum like this, then we are here. We are in the trade now. We are in this buy. But it's okay. It is what it is. He said based on his experience, sometimes he won't wait for a candle closure go. Yeah, I mean this kind of scenario is a late. This kind of it's around 8:15, right? Volume and experience wise, probably 11, 12 years in the market already. He made a lot of money. So yeah, he doesn't care right now. He doesn't care about timing of trading because there's a lot of volume, late candle volume around afternoon on the US. Sometimes volume will come around afternoon, right? For me, I only have time like NY session. I only gonna stick with my time around. I'm gonna start around 5 p.m. or 4:30 p.m. hunt the trade until 6:30 p.m. Dubai time. That's my time. Maximum 7 p.m. Dubai time. I'm gonna hop onto the chart and then after that head off. Call it a day. I know he do that before too because yeah, I spoke with him before and I met him in the boot camp, his boot camp, and yeah, he was waiting to on the because he was in Canada, right? He's based on he's Canadian, so he's starting hunt the trade around 8 a.m. EST until he said 11 a.m. and after that the volume will go slow and the afternoon the same. He gonna call it a day. and he know how to manage, risks really well. And right now it's really, for me, I'm still on the learning pace of how you are going to manage the risk, how you are going to lose less on a trade. So yeah, still on the repetitions, practice repetitions, and accept. That's a really important thing in trader. You need to accept. Some of the trader won't accept the trade that's gonna be an L, you know, because they want to profit, 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 and they want to make money, money, money. But it's not gonna work like that. You need to accept that your trade sometimes need to take L's, and it's all part of a game. It's all part of trading. Trading is a business. It's not a gambling thing that you're gonna make money every single day. You're not gonna make consistent money because you are gambling. You know that if you are trading every single day, your capital, your money is always at risk. So keep in mind, if you don't know how to, preserve your capital, you just hop on, take buy and sell. It's not gonna sustain for long term. You're not gonna be profitable long term because you doesn't know how to handle those things. But if you know how to preserve your capital, how to save those capital, you know how to, calm down where when you are drawdown, you know how to calm down when you're taking else. You're gonna, you're gonna survive it long term because trading is a long term process, long term journey. You're gonna learn every single day from those L's and wins. You're gonna adapt to the market. Market is not the same every single day. Market is not the same every week, every month, every year. Market always change. And if you may ask, I blew accounts too. I blew a live account too and funded account. And that's fine. If you are a funded trader, that's fine. It's totally fine because you're a funded trader. It's pretty normal you blew an account because you're taking else. You need to accept that. I blew up my account yesterday. I entered 11 instead of 7 micro, then moved my stop loss even further. Holy. But I was stopped out by 1 or 2 points. Yeah. Man, that's okay, bro. So next time, if you're gonna you need to check the lot size. It's not just, oh, it's accidentally I put my lot size at this kind of micros or macro, I don't know. But next time you need to double check it. Otherwise you're taking unnecessary trade, taking else. No, I just said earlier, but acceptance, we need to accept. A year ago I don't have any results, chat. A year ago I don't have any payout. No payout, no nothing, man. And I'm always asking myself why uh my strategy is not working. I diagnose everything. So I need to take 1 to 2 trades a day. I need to follow my plan, the system, and give myself a time. That's it. The money follows, payout here and there. And right now, man, all the bills paid by trading. Alhamdulillah. It's just a matter of time, gang. It's just a matter of time. Stay true to your process. Stay true to the process. Okay, man. Pushing through here. Holy. Rebroking the highs on the 4 hour here. Daily flip. Man, would you look at that? I mean, this is gonna be a good. If this candle rebroke the current candle high, yeah, should move up here pretty much. Should fill the wick. A lot of volume today. Holy. Oh, 400 pip move. Holy Goldie. No top wick. 270 pip move. Yeah. Look at that, man. If we framed nicely on this previous 15, we are in the trade. Holy, we gonna have runner here. We're gonna have runner, but didn't print nicely. It's okay, man. Nothing, chat. Nothing, nothing. Nothing, chat. 470 pip move from to support. 3 minutes. Yeah. Damn. So we have a range. Because one, two, range three. We're coming up range three now. So we have a range. Damn, so much range here. Nothing yet, chat. We like short. Yeah, I like short, but I need to wait for a candle to close. Bearish. So we need to see a resistance form. See this resistance form probably. Gonna wait. Oh yeah, I'm muted. So we need resistance here. We need a resistance form here on the price. We need a resistance, and if this candle close bearish, we might give it a shot here. But if not, gonna call it. Come back next week, chat. All right. I think nothing here today, chat. What you gonna do, man? What you gonna do, chat? You gonna force anything today? You gonna force anything on this session? What's the deal today, huh? What's your deal? What's the plan? What's the plan today? Oh, late. One more candle. One more candle. Yeah, I rebroke the high now. I cannot wait for one more candle here. We rebroke the high, so yeah, nothing here for us, man. Nothing. So yeah, chat. Gonna call it a stream here. Thank you again for tuning into the live stream today. Really appreciate you all, man. Chat. See you guys next week. Robius, Ryan, Roby, Roslyn. How you guys doing, man? See you guys next week. All right. A18W. See you. Peace and love, everybody. See you next week.
Stay humble in the wind. Stay hungry in the losses. It's how legends built. I prayed in the dark when nobody believed. Back when the world felt cold to me. Had a dream bigger than my reality, but doubt kept whispering who you supposed to be. I was down bad, had to find my way. No applause, just grinding day to day. Late nights with a mind full of pressure, trying to turn pain into something better. I seen people fall when the weight got real. Seen fake love disappear when you need it still. That's why I move low, never too loud, cause the same crowd switch when you down. I learned early wins don't make you great. It's how you carry losses, how you navigate. When you fall down, do you stay or rise? That's the difference between weak and wise. I prayed in the dark, had to trust my grind. Even when I felt like I'm running out of time. Now I stand tall, but I stay the same. Oh, never let the glory get to my brain. Stay humble in the winds, never lose your soul. Stay hungry in the losses, that's how you grow. That balance right there, what legends made of. Not the fame, but the pain you overcame. Love, I done seen highs turn quick to lows. Seen bright lights dim and hearts turn cold. Money come fast, but peace moves slow. That's something they don't tell you when you chase that glow. I had wins that felt empty inside, and losses that built me up with pride. Funny how pain teach more than success. Made me stronger, made me want less. Less ego, more purpose in life. Less flex, more truth in my lines. Now I speak from a place that's real. Not what you see, but what I feel. I seen people laugh at the bottom flow, till life spin them right back through that door. So I never judge, I just understand. We all one step from losing plans. I prayed in the dark, had to trust my grind. Oh, even when I felt like I'm running out of time. Now I stand tall, but I stay the same. Oh, never let the glory get to my brain. Hey, stay humble in the winds, never lose your soul. Stay hungry in the losses, that's how you grow. That balance right there, what legends made of. Not the fame, but the pain you overcame. Love. Yeah. Wins don't define you. Losses don't break you. It's how you respond that builds you. Look, I ain't perfect, I just learned control. Turn my scars into something gold. Every setback was a setup too. That's the kind of truth they never show you. I stay solid when it got rough, even when I felt like I ain't enough. Kept my faith when the road got dark. Now that light live inside my heart. I don't brag, I reflect more now, cause I seen strong men break somehow. So I stay grounded, feet in the dirt, knowing every blessing came from hurt. Legends ain't made from easy roads, they built from pressure, pain and lows. So when I win, I stay composed, and when I lose, I come back cold. I prayed in the dark, had to trust my grind. Even when I felt like I'm running out of time. Now I stand tall, but I stay the same. Never let the glory get to my brain. Stay humble in the winds, never lose your soul. Stay hungry in the losses, that's how you grow. The balance right there, what legends made of. Not the fame, but the pain you overcame. Love. Stay humble.
That's how you build.
Listen.